Beijing announced a broad package of economic measures targeting the United States on Tuesday, hitting back after US President Donald Trump imposed 10% tariffs on Chinese imports. The fresh duties, announced by China's Ministry of Finance, levy a 15% tax on certain types of coal and liquefied natural gas and a 10% tariff on crude oil, agricultural machinery, large displacement cars and pickup trucks. The measures take effect on February 10th. The Ministry of Commerce and China's Customs Administration also announced new export controls effective immediately on more than 24 metal products and related technologies. Those include tungsten, a critical mineral typically used in industrial and defense applications, as well as tellurium, which can be used to make solar cells. The ministry also said it was adding two American firms: biotech company Illumina and fashion retailer PVH Group, owner of Calvin Klein and Tommy Hilfiger, to its unreliable entities list, saying they violated normal market trading principles. In a separate statement, China's State Administration for Market Regulation said it was initiating an investigation into Google for suspected violation of its anti-monopoly. The company, whose search engine is not available in China, has minimal operations in the country. The raft of announcements come as a broad-based 10% tariff on Chinese imports to the United States, announced by the White House on Saturday. The measures are fairly modest, at least relative to US moves, and have clearly been calibrated to try to send a message to the US and domestic audiences without inflicting too much damage. The US practice seriously undermines the rules-based multilateral trading system, undermines the foundation of economic and trade cooperation between China and the United States, and disrupts the stability of the global industrial chain and supply chain, the ministry said.